Today we are going to make automatic streetlight project using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. Come, let's do it. This is the ultrasonic sensor. There are 4 pins. Connect the wires according to the circuit. These wires are connected to the positive terminal of the LED. And these wires are connected to the negative terminal of the LEDs. Connect the A to B cable into the Arduino and the other end to the system to upload the code into it. The code is given in the description below. Check it. And now place the circuit inside the cardboard box.